Hi guys, this is Ron. Ron's an earthworks engineer, and we've been in the Central Interceptor Tunnel and we've seen Hiwa Itirangi, the TBM, at work. And of course, Ron, it's digging a tunnel, and that spoil that it's called has been taken out of the tunnel, and that's why we're here, isn't it?
That's correct, Andrew. All of the material that comes out of the tunnel will be reused out here in Puketutu Island to recreate what was here before, so that can be turned into a regional park for the enjoyment and development of people in Auckland.
Now, when you say recreate or reconstruct, it's because this was a quarry once.
That's correct. Now, if you kind of think about a hill that's at the back of your house, the pudding bowl is shaped like that, like a spider. When it was quarried out, we created an inverted bowl. So, like a dead spider in some ways, like the old joke. So what we're doing now is filling that inverted bowl with biosolids from the wastewater treatment plant, but we're also having to utilize the earthworks, the spoil that we've got, to create the structure that supports that internal fill, and it ultimately will support the hill. We'll be importing about 800,000 tonne of material, the spoil, out here to the island so that we can recreate what was here originally and eventually turn this into a regional park for the enjoyment of people of New Auckland, Tamaki Makaurau.
That's a lot of material, 800,000?
800,000 tonnes.
That's a lot. 800,000 utes worth.
That's correct. One tonne ute at a time.
Now, it's a great sustainability story too, because the main site, the Mangere pump station site, is just over there, so you don't have to go far to bring it.
That's correct. It's less than 2 kilometres away. So the cartage, we'll keep it here in Auckland and we'll benefit from it.
So there's less wear and tear on the roads, less burning of fossil fuels with those trucks. But really interesting, I'm holding what is a massive oyster shell. This is an old oyster shell, and this is the sort of thing that you find when you dig holes in the ground, isn't it, Ron?
That's correct, Andrew. When we dug the Mangere pump station shaft, we were down about 40 odd metres, and we thought we would only strike what we called kawa sand. It's a mixture of sands and gravels, but when we were digging down there, we found the oyster shells. We also found the horse cockle shell. Now this is 3.5 million years old. The modern one is so much smaller. That's because during the time that these were being created, the sea surge through here in the Manukau Harbour was about 5 metres. Now, you don't surf in that. These had to be a lot bigger and a lot stronger to survive in that environment.
So it's taught us a lot about the environment of the time and the sorts of species that were living. It's fascinating stuff, and there's been all sorts of other things uncovered, like great white teeth and all that
Great
sort of
white
thing.
shark teeth, correct, and stingray teeth. It's been an absolutely fascinating journey to be on.
Yeah, I bet, and it's great we could show this, and what a great story that we've got here, Ron. Thanks for bringing us here.
You're very, very welcome.